my students. Her name is
Mahira.
and her name.
My name is Ayman.
Today we are going to make small basket from recycled newspapers, and for this we are going to need mainly newspapers,
Glue, scissor, poster colors, and skewers, and buttons.
First of all, we are going to need a piece of newspaper, and we have to cut this newspaper into 4 stripes. For this, we have to fold this newspaper into half and then fold again. Now, let's fold this into half too. So now we have 4 stripes of newspapers, and we are going to use this skewer and make rolls using this. So let's take this stripe and the skewer. Using this, we are going to roll the newspaper like this. So we have made 1 rolls, and you need at least 40 to 50 rolls for making this small basket. There are rolls we have already made. So at first we have to make these small rings, and we are going to make these using these rolls. So let's see how we are going to make it. Okay, so now I'm going to make these small rings. So using this skewer and the roll, you are going to roll this stick. Now you can use glue to finish it up. It's done. So we have made 21 small rings, and we are going to use this over here. We have applied 10 of them here and 10 of them here, and for the base we are going to need a bigger ring, and for the cover we need a bigger ring too. So now let's see how we are going to make the bigger circle. So for making these small rings we need this 1 stripe, and for the bigger circle we need 10 of them. So I have already prepared those stripes. After this one is finished, we are going to attach the second stripe using glue. You can use glue the whole way around to make it more stronger. So these 2 big circles are done, and we have spreaded glue all over the top and bottom so that it can make it strong. And now we are going to stick all these small rings around the corner. So our first layer is done, and now we are going to make the second layer. Okay, we are going to attach this one in the middle of the first two. So our base and the side parts are done, and now we are going to make another big circle for the cover. I have already made it, and we are going to make a dome shape for the curve. And we have kept one single small ring which we are going to attach on the top. Make sure this small ring is attached properly. So apply more glue, and it's done. And now we are going to color it. Okay, now we are going to paint this small basket, and you can use any colors. You can use enamel colors, acrylic color, or poster color, but make sure you do not use watercolor, otherwise it will soak it up the papers and it will not look as good. So let's get started. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find it helpful.
If you like this video, please hit the thumbs